Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making hummus. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the hummus recipe. You will need 1 cup of dried chickpeas that I've soaked overnight in cold water. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of tahin, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil at the start, and then I'll add extra if needed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 clove of garlic, and I'll be using some of the chickpea water when it's cooked. And this is how your hummus should look like. Serve it as a dip with some pita bread or some vegetables and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!